up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Guys, today we're here with some good news for you and we're here with a brand new video. So the first good news for today is that our family vlog channel is back. Alright, so I'm just begging you guys, we have over 6,000 subscribers here on ChriSamz Property YouTube channel. Initially this channel started out with us as a family doing things together, just sharing bits and pieces of our lives with you guys. But it has developed into something else, but we want to bring back that thing that we had from the get-go, where we share our experiences, where we share things from our past. You get to see some of our current life, just enjoying ourselves as a family and linking up with friends, alright? So guys, I'm begging at least 1,000 of you guys just to head on over to our new channel and to subscribe today, alright? We will have brand new contents coming in very short order. But today, we are here with a brand new video for Phoenix Park Village 2. Yes, I've seen the comments you guys have been asking, and we're here to give it that drone shot of the development. But let me just say, today we are focusing on the newer section of the development. This aspect will show the new structures that are going up, the foundations that are being laid. We would have shown previous sections in our past video, but today we're focusing on the newest area in Phoenix Park Village 2. So guys, remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, leave your comments down below and we will answer as much as we can. We will grant as many wishes as we can as we continue on this journey. So I'll catch you guys on the other side of this drone shot. Hope you enjoy and I'll see you. Alright guys, I'm seeing houses on top of houses on top of houses, and there's plenty more to come. Alright, so you guys know exactly what to do. Stay tuned to this channel. If you saw your house in this video, leave us a thumbs up in the comment section or say I see me. Alright, and for this video we are going to fill up the comment section. So when you head over to our new channel and you subscribe, just come back to leave a comment on this video to say I am new. Alright, I'll know exactly what you mean. Remember to share out this video, remember to share our other channel. Guys, we will leave the link to our new channel in our description and also in the comment section of this video. So please go on and support as always. Thank you guys for stopping by one more time for your property tours and updates. And as you can see, that Phoenix Park Village 2 is coming on as good as it was the very first time. Alright, so whenever units are available, I will definitely let you guys know. But you won't know if you don't watch the videos. So stick around to the channel. We'll catch you in another one at another property at the next time. So catch up guys. Remember, it's ChriSamz and the journey continues. So peace out.